This is an ESRI Shape File. It is the standard for mapping data. You don't need expensive ArcGIS software to view it. QGIS is a free, open-source alternative that works perfectly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the download. If you frequently deal with unusual SHP file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. The SHP format is widely known and distributed as a member of the GIS file family. It uses the AutoCAD Shape File format. The SHP file is the native proprietary geometry file used by ESRI ArcGIS for storing non-topological geometric features, points, lines, polygons. It functions as the core physical file for a vector map layer. Developed by ESRI, the format is structural and relational. The file is unusable without its companion files, SHX and DBF, which contain the index and attribute data. All three files are required by the GIS software to display the map layer correctly. The developer of Autodesk AutoCAD Ecscad, Autodesk, Inc., created the original specifications for SHP. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows cannot process shapefiles, geodatabases, or raster GIS data natively. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the SHP file and choose Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD Ecscad is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. If your SHP file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If your SHP file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of three predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, use GIS software. Open the file using a GIS application like ArcGIS, QGIS, or Global Mapper. Next, check associated files. Ensure all associated files, e.g. SHX, .dbf, .prj, are present in the same directory as the SHP file relies on them. Finally, check projection. If the map fails to display, check the projection information in the PRJ file and ensure it is supported by your GIS software. If all basic programs fail, the SHP file needs a solution with autonomous file reading capability. The Universal Viewer is worth a shot for this. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your SHP file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. Keep troubleshooting, and don't give up on those tough files.